At Century Ply, we are constantly innovating and coming up with new products that give both builders and customers a superior living experience. Today, we will learn about a product which is comparatively new in the industry and fast gaining popularity. It is PVC sheets, which is a preferred building material due to its performance, superior features and viability as a commercially used building material. The world is moving towards greener products, which are easy to work with and environmental friendly at the same time. PVC is a hybrid material composed of polymer fiber, UV-based chemicals, additives and calcium carbonate, which gives them enhanced specific properties like high density and better longevity. Today's major manufacturing hubs are USA followed by China. China is having a remarkable growth of about 25% per annum, and according to the forecast, China will reach 33% of the global PVC requirement in 2016, followed by USA, which produces almost half of the total global market share. Southeast Asia, Russia, South America and India are rapidly emerging PVC markets. Now presenting our newest offering, Starke, the latest development in building material. With unmatched features and benefits, manufacturing process of Starke PVC sheet involves polymers as primary raw material between 60 to 65%. Reinforced with calcium carbonate, additives, balancing agents, coupling agents, blowing agents, foaming agents and lubricants. The two most renowned properties of PVC, namely strength of calcium carbonate and marine property of polymer, makes this an outstanding interior utility product. PVC production is a 100% safe manufacturing practice, releasing no air or water pollutants and having no process waste of materials. It is a new generation green and durable engineered material. It has high strength and unparalleled durability along with a smooth finish, which makes it ideal for a wide range of applications. Starke comes with a whole host of features that are unmatched by other building material options. These include 100% borer and termite proof, 100% waterproof, green product fully recyclable, no fungus attack, no shrinkage, warping or bending, toxicity and formaldehyde free, high resistance to fire, high degree of workability, colors and design capabilities, can be used with or without laminate or decorative veneer, completely calibrated and can be used directly, minimal maintenance. Starke PVC has added features like variety of applications which help in diversification efforts. Conventional carpentry tools can be used, hence no requirement for additional tools and labor training. All these features make it a better product as compared to conventional building boards. Starke comes in the following offerings: Starke Select PVC sheet with density of 575 kg per cubic meter and white in color. Starke Prime PVC sheet with density of 650 kg per cubic meter and white in color. Available thicknesses are 5, 6, 8, 12, 15 and 18 millimeter. So you must be wondering, where can one use Starke sheets? You can use Starke sheets just about anywhere. To give you an idea, here are some of the applications for our boards. Furniture, modular carcasses, interior ceiling, partitions, wall cladding, bathroom vanities, carving and CNC cuts possible with great finish, Aren't those a lot of uses? You see, Starke is easy to work with, so you can actually use it anywhere you want. Now let us move on to how to install Starke PVC boards. These can be installed using readily available materials and tools, and no special tools are required. You should first understand the right way to handle and store a Starke sheet. To see the installation process for Starke PVC sheet in detail, let us now see a wardrobe being made. Step 1. The components required are 1.5-inch to 2-inch screws, drilling machine, cement solvent adhesive for PVC sheet to PVC sheet, wax filler, L hinges, European hinges, silicone-based adhesives for PVC to laminate. Step 2. For fixing the sheets along the edges, first apply adhesive evenly along the length. Step 3. Using only deep threaded screws of 1.5 to 2 inches, screw the sheets as shown. Keep a gap of 3 mm from the corner. Also use only flathead screws for a smooth finish. Put screws at 300 mm distance from each other. Step 4. To have an even finish, put the screws in 2 mm deep. But take care not to extend more than that. Step 5. Now fill in the cavity with wax filler and smoothen with the surface. Step 6. For putting in shelves, use L hinges at each of the 4 corners. Step 7. For installing drawers, always use good quality modular fitment channel. Step 8. For hinges, use only quality automatic hinges. For making the cavity for the hinge, a 35 mm cup has to be made. It is preferable to use a 35 mm drill bit. Put the top and bottom hinge at least 3 inches from the top and bottom respectively. For a 6 feet wardrobe, 3 must be used. For a wardrobe more than 6 feet tall, 4 hinges are required. Step 9. In the doors, remember to cut out 9 mm from the edge as shown for the left and right doors. For closing purposes, always use a magnet. Step 10. Now you can finish the wardrobe with laminates, veneers, paint, digital prints or PVC as it is. Now let us see how to handle and store Starke sheets. Sheets should always be lifted with both hands, supporting the sheet carefully. Starke sheets should always be carried by at least 2 people at a time, holding the sheet from both the ends. It should be lifted as far as possible from other sheets, as the surfaces are likely to get damaged if one sheet is dragged over another. Only one sheet at a time should be carried. If using a trolley for transporting, it should be a full 8 by 4 square feet size to provide full base support to the sheet. Be careful that edges are not damaged while placing the sheet. So first keep one end on the surface and then slide the sheet slowly and safely. Base should be flat and even. Starke sheets should not be kept directly on the ground. Full base wooden battens should be used, and the sheet should be placed on the wooden battens in such a way that it should give support to all 4 edges and corners of the boards. The sheets are to be kept above the ground level by at least 150 mm. The sheets should be stored flat in a covered, clean and dry place on clear horizontal alignment. For better safety, it should be properly packed and covered from all the corners. To get the most suitable conditions for storage, users should ensure that the surrounding land around the storage site is cleared of vegetation and rubbish to minimize the risk of fire. The storage area should be separated from people and water courses. There should be a good natural ventilation and the sheets should be protected from direct sunlight. For stacking, the maximum quantities are 4 mm 180 pieces, 5 mm 180 pieces, 6 mm 150 pieces, 8 mm 112 pieces, 12 mm 75 pieces, 15mm 60 pieces, 18mm 50 pieces. So, how did you like Starke boards? At Century Ply, we believe in both good interiors and durability. That's why with Starke, you don't just get a good alternative, but a new age building material with convincing features that both protects your home and makes it look good at the same time. I hope you got a good picture of Starke from Century Ply. So don't wait. Start using a product which is high on durability, functionality, usefulness, and of course, style. Goodbye.